Wish if I could speak English fluently. Wish if I could be a very good speaker in English. And if these are the thoughts are also in your mind, then this video is for you. And today I'm going to share some points that why you are not improving your English, or what is the problem for making your English better, and how you can speak English fluently and confidently. So friends, watch this video till the end and you'll see that what are the problems you are facing in learning spoken English. Many of you tried to learn spoken English, but you could not continue. But if you have continued, but still you are not able to speak in English. The first point is that what you consume, so you become. So most of us are consuming some information in our mother tongue, maybe in Bengali, Hindi or Nepali. But if you really want to make your English better, you have to consume information in English. Watch some English movies, watch news in English, watch some videos in English on YouTube, or read newspaper in English. So then only you will see that your English is improving. Next point is that too much focus on grammar and some good words. While trying to speak in English, we become too much fearful of making mistake in grammar. We give too much focus on grammar. We are not giving too much focus on the flow of English. So whenever you are speaking, give the focus on the flow of your English, not on the grammar, not on the vocabulary. Once you give the focus on the flow of your English, your grammar, your vocabulary will be improved automatically. So next time when you are speaking in English, don't think about too much about the grammar. Think about the flow of your English, that how fluently you are speaking English. Next point is that fear of being judged. We always think about the people, that what the people will say if I make a mistake. Now the point is that people are there to judge you, people are there to find the mistake in you, but you should not be too much thinking about the mistake you are making, or you should not give too much care about the people, what they are saying. Just you keep on speaking. Just start speaking and start it now. Next point is that your consistency. Many of you are not consistent in learning spoken English. Many of you started, but you did not finish it. Or many of you started, you did not do it on a regular basis. So you have to do it consistently. And you do it regularly for the next 4 to 6 months, and you will see that there is a huge improvement in your English. And the last but not the least is your mindset. Those are from the local medium background like Bengali, Hindi or Nepali. They have a belief that they can't speak in English. They think that only those who are from English medium background, they can only speak in English. But the fact is that even those who are from local medium background, they can also speak very good English. So just remove this mindset from you and just focus on learning spoken English, and you will see that you are also evolving as a very good speaker, very good, you can also speak very good English. So my dear friend, just focus on learning spoken English and take an oath in this year, in the new year, that you are going to be an amazing speaker in English. I wish all of you all the best, and if you have any question, you can comment me and I will be glad to answer all these questions. So wish you all the best, wish you very happy new year, a prosperous new year. Thank you so much.